Check, mic, check. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, troops, wherever you are in the world, and welcome back to the channel. Mark, that's me, my words. As always, before I do against this very quick video, please continue to hit that control, subscribe button down there. And if you do enjoy the content, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. No double takes here, troops. We're live. We do it, we smash it out, and we put it up on YouTube. Faults and all, there you go. Right then, here we are, Monday, the 9th of January 2023, the start of the second trading week of the year. And it has been brutal, troops. Oh my God, it's been so brutal. Look away now if you are of a nervous disposition. Let's have a look at AMC first. You can see we have spent actually the first few days of the year in what we would call a consolidation pattern, troops. A few days there just accumulating, I guess. But what I'm interested in, as I'm sure you all are, is levels. Levels. Where are we going to go? So let's take the last trading day of last week where we finished at 385, a low of 377, and let's go all the way back. Let's keep going. Where are we? What's that one? Let's put a little thing on there. We are going to go. So the next level I'm looking for is around about there, troops, for some support. I think 360, mid $3, let's say mid $3. If we break below that, we could be looking for another little fall, troops. In terms of news, I've not really seen anything new out there about this vote on APE to AMC conversion and then a reverse split. So if you have seen something, do let me know in the comment section. I'd be very interested to see that. APE as well. APE, you know, we had that little bit of a bump, didn't we? When I said I was going to sell back end of last year, I said if it's still under $1 on the first trading day of the new year, I'm selling. And it wasn't. It went up. So Adam Aaron watching my videos, again, just joking. But we made it to a high of 206. We settled last week at 136. Guys, I just want to say, like, I'm watching this price movement, and I'm not looking at it specifically just at APE, AMC, GameStop, and the other meme stonks. I'm looking at the broader market, and the broader market has been absolutely hammered. And there's certain theories out there that it's not even finished yet, troops. You know, we're going to have these little fake breakouts to the upside. But there's a lot of people out there speculating that the downside is nowhere near in. So just settle yourselves in for it, troops. You know, it is what it is. Certainly, I don't know. I've seen a lot of chatter about Wall Street is wanting retail to capitulate. They want us to capitulate so that they can, you know, suck out all the money that they can and then start pumping it back up again for their mates. Anyway, I don't know about you guys, but I don't buy high and sell low. Like, that's not the aim of this. And they can push it down as much as they want. I'm just going to wait it out. I'm quite fortunate, you know. I don't need to pull out what I've put in. I can afford to lose what I've put in. But that doesn't mean I'm going to start selling. So I see the red days and I feel the red days as well. Really, I do. I feel them. And I'm like, oh, man, another red day. Like, but I just get on with it. Just crack on. Just try and put it to the back of my mind, you know, not think about it too much. Obviously, people do think about it. I think about it, but I try not to let it get me down too much. And I put it into the context of the wider market, you know, the bigger market. And also, if my price is going down, if my stock values are going down, all these institutions that own millions and millions and billions of dollars worth, theirs is going down as well. And the only person I've got to answer to is myself. They've got to answer to clients and all that sort of shizzle. So good luck to them. Anyway, GameStop, where are we? Again, we continued. Last week was brutal, troops. We have fallen well below my last support and resistance level at $19.40. We actually broke under $16 last week, down to $15.41, eventually closing at $16.46. But in terms of levels, I mean, for me now, you're going all the way back to pretty much January 2021 to find any kind of support. I mean, maybe there, 1370 area. Let's put a line in there just in case we get down to that kind of level. There we go. That's probably, yeah, it's a bit too low. Look, move that up a touch. There we go. 1379, 1380, let's call it. So that's the next level I'll be looking at on GameStop. Hopefully we get a bounce, troops, and we start reclaiming some of this territory to get us back up there. But that is the market, troops. It's not pretty, I'll be honest. It's not easy to sit and watch. There's talk of this not even being the start of the sell-off. So just steady yourselves. I'm going to weather the storm and just see how this all plays out. But really interested in what's going to happen. As always, I go into the week with enthusiasm, expecting that tomorrow will be Moas and we'll all wake up billion quadrillionaires. Anyway, that's it for this video, troops. As I said, if you have found it informative, please do give me a thumbs up. Trying to hit 1,000 subscribers this year, troops. I've got 51 weeks left to do it in, or 51 and a half weeks left to do it in. I need 43 more subscribers. So if you do watch and you haven't hit that button, please do. Do give me a thumbs up. Please do consider subscribing. There's going to be a lot more van content this year, that's for sure. And we'll keep our eyes on the stocks. So with that said, troops, as always, wherever you are in the world, do take care of yourselves and each other. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, troops.